Hey friends, it's Shannon. Welcome back. So today is the best day of the week. It is a Fix day, and I'm here with my Fix number 82, full of some fun spring styles. So we will just jump right into this. I already have on the first item. So this is the Serein relaxed blouse. It is in color black floral, size large, and this is $39. So we've added, it looks like Stitch Fix has added more of that Serein brand, which I think might be sort of an in-house brand. So I hadn't seen this before. So I do like it. It is sort of a satiny fabric with a little cap sleeve. It is really comfortable, fits, you know, I'm a true size large and I think this fits true to size. So liking that. It is mixed materials. Like I said, satiny on the front. So let me turn around. The back is sort of that jersey knit material. And I do like the print. I do love a floral. I think the splashy it's sort of red, a little mauve, purple, a little almost orange is very cute. So I have it just tucked into a pair of jeans. It's not super long, so you could definitely just wear it out as well. So even though I have a zillion blouses, I do think this is a pretty cute option. All right, so next I have on, this is 41 Hawthorn. It's the Tiffany tulip sleeve blouse for $59. It is a polyester blouse. Again, a size large, fits comfortably. I do like the split neck, and it's got just a little hint of a ruffle. The sleeves are very cute. And of course, this print I think is new, and it is very springy. Lots of beautiful little flowers. The only issue I have with this shirt is I actually have it in two other colors. So I just don't know if I need a third blouse in this cut. Let me do a quick spin. What do you guys think? I'm thinking no on this just because I have a lot of fun floral blouses. But I do like it. All right, so next I have on the Dictionary high-rise wide leg pant in dark green. These are $48, so that's a great price for pants. I did size these up to an XL because sometimes I like a little more room in a dress pant, but I don't think I needed an XL. I think a large would have been fine. They're a really thin fabric. They do have nice deep pockets though. They're kind of cute. I definitely can't keep this size, so maybe I'll try this style in a large in a different color. Not bad, just kind of different. What do you guys think? Let me do a quick spin. They're definitely casual. I do like that they are a wide leg though. All right, so the last piece of clothing I have to show you is this Mason & Belle tiered midi skirt. It's a black floral size large, and this is $49. So the nice thing, this Fix was very affordable. This just feels like kind of a thin rayon. I don't know if I like this real ditzy floral print, and it's a mix of blue, yellow, and almost like an orange red. It has a slit down the middle, which not a huge fan of. Faux buttons, and then as you can see, it's a little longer in the back than the front. I think I would just prefer a true maxi skirt, and it does have an elasticized waist. So a couple of problems with this, but it did fit, and it definitely is springy. So there we go. Let me show you the last piece, and we'll talk about this. All right, guys, so the last piece I have here is a little flat. These are by MIA. They're called the Crystal Flat in tan, size 11. I have a big hoof, you guys. And these are $23.97, so they're on sale. And I do just like a cute little neutral flat for the summer to go with skirts and shorts, and I'll even wear them with jeans. So I do think I'm going to keep these, partially because I do get a discount on top of the price, already sale price as an employee of Stitch Fix. So there you guys go. That's the whole Fix. I know I'm kind of moving fast. I thought there were some cute things in there. It wasn't like an out of the park amazing experience, and definitely some repetition in terms of that blouse that I have had a few times. So if I kept everything in here, it would be $131. That's the discount I get as a stylist. The total before all the discounts would be $218. Most customers get 25% off buy 5, and I get 40% off anything I buy as an employee. So what did you guys think? Did you like any of these pieces? What did you guys think of those pants? Do you think if they fit better, they're a good option? Anyway, thank you for stopping by. Sorry I'm in such a rush. It's just been a busy couple weeks. But if you guys like this kind of content, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. And I will see you guys back soon. Bye.